I'm sure you've heard the news. Cracked laptop screens are no match for Techie Pomona. Watch as our skilled technicians get to work, transforming your device with precision and care. At Techie Pomona, we specialize in fast, reliable, and affordable laptop screen repairs. Our experts can replace your broken screen in under 30 minutes, restoring your device to like-new condition. Your laptop deserves the best care, and we deliver just that at a price you can afford. Call us today at 628-348-4448 or visit our store at Pomona for quick and professional laptop screen repairs.